Well, it was a tough loss. You were leading with about 10 points here late in the third, and your fourth quarter offense kind of, grinds to a halt. You scored 19 points and have a hard time getting points on the board. What happened in the fourth?
In the fourth quarter, like usually, we came kind of nervous. We lost the rhythm in some part of the game, and Haukar know how to use that and come and take the lead and finish the game. We were, like I point in start 2, I think we were kind of very nervous. Some of the guys were really frustrated from some reason. More focus on the refs than the real game, what we need to do. And that's reflect, with nervous on the whole bench, including me as a coach. And I think I already point in that, and I will point again in the locker room. We will come with the right mindset, be positive during 40 minutes, give the best. Probably we have more chances for the good result. Like this, we are frustrated, nervous, and it's not a real approach.
Yeah, a couple of times people were very late getting back on defense because they were complaining to the referee. I get
exactly.
it. It was the referees today, or the officials, allowed a lot of contact off the ball, especially.
Yes, it was the more physical game than usual, but we need to accept the criterion of the refs and stop, complaining. This is why, I got technical foul. Coach Martin got technical foul in the beginning. It's come some nervous since beginning. Then later on was much better, but like I say, some of my players were too much frustrated during all 40 minutes.
Yeah, Haukar were trapping Evan Singletary here in the fourth with good results. Something you were expecting?
Well, we prepare for that, but of course in these crucial moments, if you trap, sometimes you're tired and you lost the focus, and we didn't make the right decision what we're supposed to do. Anyway, we work on that. We know that they were playing these last 3-4 games and before, always scouting last 3 games, but I know that they were using during all the season. So congratulations to Haukar, they were just a better team tonight.
Thanks, man.
Thank you very much.